Lot number 301 is a Coates Rim Clamp 5040A. Working conditions are unknown. This was removed a little over 2 months ago and brought outside because it was replaced with a new machine. The machine appears to be complete as far as I can tell, but I don't know what it's supposed to look like, you know, if it's missing something small. So that's just my opinion. I'm going real slow. Take a good look at the machine. This is what you're gonna get when you come here to pick it up, and this city will help you load it. It's on a pallet. If you come in a pickup truck, they'll help you load it with a forklift. It appears to be in good shape. I don't see anything broken anywhere. I'm not sure if there's any parts missing, but it appears to be, you know, nothing is bent or broken as far as I can tell. Shows some rust down here. Again, it's been sitting outside for a little over 2 months, exposed to the weather, so it is getting wet when it rains. What you see here is what you'll get when you come pick it up. All right, there you have it. There's a Coates Rim Clamp 5040A. Used, mechanical condition is unknown. All the hoses appear to be in place. It's lot number 301. Good luck.